And I'm Anna. Today we're going to be doing a top 3 favorite beauty products video. We each picked top 3 beauty products, so it's either makeup, skincare, anything, and then we're going to share them with you. Alright, so for my first product, I picked the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I really love this. It's like full coverage. I use it like underneath my eyes and all like the high points of my face, just kind of highlight. I actually have that one too and I love it as well. It's really full coverage. Oh yeah. Covers up all my blemishes and uneven skin. So I have a Tarte product as well. One of my top favorite products is the Tarte Amazonian Clay BB Tinted Moisturizer, and it actually has SPF of 20, which is really awesome. What I love about it is it's really light coverage and just like goes on the skin so smoothly and perfect for the spring and summertime. So my second product that I picked is a liquid eyeshadow by LOC, Love of Color, and the shade is Stardust. And what I really like about liquid eyeshadow is that it goes on like really smoothly, just one swipe. It dries really quickly, and it doesn't like bunch up in my creases throughout the day. It literally doesn't move. It's what I have on right now, and it's definitely one of my favorites. So my second beauty favorite is this Bioderma. It's the Micellar Water. I know they have different kinds, but this one is for sensitive skin. And what I love about this is I use it both morning and night. I use it as a toner, a makeup remover, just to like freshen up the face. So it has so many different uses that you can get out of it, and it feels so good on the skin. It's very hydrating. Do you use that like with a makeup pad to like? Yeah, I use it with like a little cotton round, especially when I'm taking off like my mascara. And what I found with this is it takes off like mascara and eyeliner really well. Yeah, completely. And even waterproof. Oh, cool. I love this product. Nice. And for my third product, I have a little sample size of, it's by the Beauty Crop. It is a liquid highlighter. And this is the first time I've ever tried a liquid highlighter. I've never really liked liquid makeup or highlighters because I feel like they just don't blend as well as powders, but this one blends so well. And it kind of looks like nail polish. Oh wow. Like the way that, and you just like swipe it on and it just blends very nicely. It's like this pretty like pink color. Let me see if it's got a name on it. It doesn't say the shade on it, but really like it. It's just really illuminating. I have it on right now. Do you just need like a couple drops? Oh yeah, like a little bit goes a long way with this. Yeah, I love this. I've been using this for a while now, and it's definitely in my top 3 faves makeup. My last beauty favorite is also a skincare product, and it's the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Instant Oatmeal Mask. Ooh. So like what I was saying before, I have really sensitive skin, and especially if you have sensitive dry skin, this mask is amazing. Oh my goodness, especially in winter in Wisconsin. Yes, yeah. It's again very hydrating, and it just feels so nice and smells delicious. Oh my goodness, I need to buy some. Yeah, it's just like I said, made out of oatmeal. It says it helps nourish and rejuvenate the skin, and you just put it on for 10 minutes and wash it off. So these are our top 3 beauty products, and we want to hear what your top 3 beauty products are, so make sure you leave them down in the comments. We're going to be looking for those. No one's going to comment on this. And leave our comment. Thanks for joining us for this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye!